Hello, my name is Taekyeom. I'm teaching graphic design at Illinois State University. I will present my research, tangible type with 3D printing. Designers can use a variety of printing techniques to produce visual materials and to solve visual problems. As 3D printing has become more refined, efficient, and accessible, what designers can do with the new printing technology? This research explored the new design solution using 3D printing. My research explored unconventional materials such as ceramics and digital method to graphic design, to create tangible type, graphics, and even design the object. I have intensively worked with 3D printing and computer-aided design. For my research, I built my own tools, DIY 3D printers. They're based on open source plans because I was not able to afford expensive printers. I have to be a designer and a toolmaker. Technology and design have been a symbiotic relationship. Typography has always evolved with technologies, and creative processes. As new technologies, processes, and materials fused new ideas and creative design solutions. Go back to the letters. These letter forms are 3D printed with my DIY machine. As they are printed with wet clay, they shows the non-linear character of clay. Uh, Actually, to materialize type, ceramic is a meaningful material because clay is the first material our ancestors used to document spoken language around 3500 BC. As they are clay, they could be fired in electronic kiln. I tested different languages as well, Korean, Chinese, Japanese, and even Arabic. Because I can print paste-like material, I was able to print Nutella chocolate and peanut butter. It's one of the most exciting demos in my class. And yes, they're edible. 3D printing and typography could be used in a practical application like this, or just for fun. Stamp was printed with flexible material. An artist book was printed with PLA plastic, transparent plastic. Uh, Type planter for basil was printed as well. And the last one, 3D printed for 3D type for No Hate Campaign, was printed and installed across the campus. The 3D type could be installed on standard railing system and easy to be removed, not like stickers. When type was printed with flexible material, it could be wearable. These are the type bracelet and rings. They are safe, durable, and affordable. Many designs could be homemade with DIY printer. However, certain materials, such as metal, could be printed with a professional printing service. They are designed with a computational design tool and sent to Shapeways. They're reliable and affordable for their service. This letter looks aggressive, and it's really aggressive. It's pretty sharp, and also it can poke your fingers. Grasshopper is a node-based computational design tool which runs with Rhino, and it helped me to design this ampersand with numerous corn. Rhino and Grasshopper are widely used in educational and professional environment, architecture, jewelry, etc. Using the parameters, it allows the designer to generate 3D type or object as well. These letter forms are designed with different seed fonts and shapes. With 3D printing, this tool can bring extended physical experience in typography from computer screen to physical space. It's one of the latest exploration in my research. Bubbly type was generated and printed with color PLA plastic. PLA is one of the most popular material in 3D printing. It is easy to print, very affordable, and biodegradable. I've been working with a San Francisco-based startup company called Lightform. With the projected AR device, I was able to scan the surface and add additional layer to 3D printed type. Bubble type was exhibited through Typeforce 11 on annual typography exhibition in Chicago. People were invited to touch the letters, especially kids. They love to play with the bubbly type or the physical type. The next step would be developing a learning tool for children. 3D printing allows text to be printed or materialized in the physical world using various materials. The tangible type amplifies visual and physical interactions. It extends typography to perceptible typography with physical touch, which is one of the human senses. It suggests another linguistic experience beyond the spoken, written, and visual languages. The design process accomplished artistic expression, construction technique, and materiality. More investigation should be followed as a technology will get more refined. Thank you very much.